Hey there, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be covering what would be day 11 of my 30-day digital marketing multi-platform content creation challenge, all in an effort to sell digital products. Okay, I started this journey on June the 16th, okay, of 2025, and I'm emphasizing it like that because I realized, in fact, a viewer brought it to my attention in yesterday's video that I said July 16th, so that was a complete slip up on my part. But we started on June 16th, okay, June 16th of 2025, and yesterday would have been day 11, right? Yesterday was June 26th, and I always like to cover everything up until the end of the day prior so that we have a full day's worth of analytics, okay? Now, we're essentially looking to post on at least two different social media platforms on a daily basis for 30 days straight, right? To develop the habit and make sure that it's something that we carry on beyond just the 30 days, right? If we're going to be doing this long term, it's, 30 days is not going to do anything in terms of like results that we're looking for, right? And essentially, I've just been documenting the journey, right? Showing my results, like what I've done, how much work I've put in, and what it's yielding, right? And just to give, let's say, someone getting started, beginners, an idea of what things could look like if you decided to get started with this. Now, the products that I'm promoting, these are, like I mentioned earlier, they're digital products, right? So they are available instantly for anybody that decides to purchase them. As a matter of fact, if you are interested in learning how to sell digital products, whether you're creating your own and selling them or selling other people's digital products as an affiliate, you can get access to the same courses that I have purchased myself in order to learn some of this stuff. And it's going to be, if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description below this video. If you're watching on any other social media platform, it's going to be like my link in bio. But anyway, somewhere around this video, you'll find a link, and it's going to be at the time of this recording, it's my Stan Store link, right? That's the platform that we use to host our digital products. It's something that you can try for yourself as well. You can get a 14-day free trial. It's all going to be available on that link that I just mentioned, right? It's a store, and it has links to all the different things that I am promoting, okay? Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into into the activity, right? I like to essentially show the results from the day prior and then a cumulative picture of everything that has happened up until this point since we started on June the 16th, okay? So yesterday, again, I posted just one video, I believe, right, on YouTube, and then I also posted on a Threads, Instagram Threads. Now I'm trying to see exactly what I did on Threads. So today is the 27th, so the 26th. So I posted about 35, 36 comment replies on different people's posts, right? A bunch of comment replies, and then my individual posts were only 5. Okay. On a daily basis, I try to make sure that I'm posting consistently on Threads. When I'm really up for it, I try to get in like 10 posts of my own in a day, and then respond to at least 30 people's other posts in the comments, right? When you're growing on Threads, one of the main and key things that you want to do to grow quickly, especially in the early stages, right, when you don't have a ton of followers, is you want to engage a lot on other people's posts, right? That'll give you more visibility, especially if you're doing this on bigger people's accounts that have bigger followings and get more views on their posts, right? So that's a little tip there for you if you want to use Threads. Now, the good thing about Threads is that, for those of you who don't know, it's Instagram's version of like TikTok, of Twitter, or X, right? What was formerly Twitter. And for those of you who don't want to create videos, whether you're on camera or not on camera, right? Like faceless videos, or if you're doing face forward, if you don't even want to mess with videos at all, Threads would be the place to go, right? Where you can grow an account, monetize it, right? Grow an audience and monetize it. And one of the courses that I had purchased to learn how to do this is one that you can get access to as well. It's going to be in that link in the description. It's called Threads to Millions, right? And it basically, it's probably, not probably, I'm pretty sure right now, as far as I'm aware, it's probably the most popular course on Threads, at least that I'm aware of, right? Digital product, which is a course teaching you how to grow and monetize a Threads account. There are people making full-time incomes, full-time, living from just posting on Threads. The creator of this particular course, as a matter of fact, is somebody that is on the verge of making six figures, right? $100,000 just from predominantly from posting on Threads. Okay, so anyway, that's something you can go check out. So that's what we had done, right? Threads and YouTube. I did not get to post a TikTok video yesterday, and this really frustrates me. This coming weekend, I've got stuff that's really going to get in the way of the momentum that I've been building, with all these clicks that we've been generating. But I probably won't be able to do much on Saturday and Sunday. Won't be till Monday before I really resume things. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at how things are looking in terms of results. So let's see. All right, let me flip the camera. All right, so we've got June 26th here. This is the analytics portion of my stand store, and I did get 4 clicks yesterday, so we're kind of keeping the momentum going, so to speak, because the day before we had, I believe it was a record. Let me show you what has transpired since the beginning. All right, so from June 16th to June 26th, we're now up to 22 clicks, right? And like I mentioned, this is, in order to start seeing results, this is peanuts, right? Chump change. We really need to be getting a lot more clicks on my stand store link, right? I'd say this is just my estimation. I would say at least 50 to 100 a day before we can actually expect to start seeing anything significant in terms of like sales. Okay. And since we started, this is where a majority of that traffic has been coming from, right? So you can see I've had 9 clicks from Threads, 6 from YouTube, 3 from TikTok, and then that 4 from Facebook. I still don't understand. I believe I got a feeling that might be Instagram or so, since Facebook, Meta, and Instagram, they're all owned by the same company now. And I say that because I am yet to post my stand store link anywhere on Facebook. So that's the only thing I can think of. Okay, and then it shows you where the customers are coming from, and then which one of the links on my stand store the customers go to, okay? Or potential customers. These are leads or people that are interested, all right? So if you want to try stand store for yourself, you can try it. Like I said, it's going to be same. The one link that I have somewhere around this video might be at the bottom, might be in my profile, or bio, wherever you're watching, depending on where you're watching, right? Or the pinned comments, right? And you can see all this stuff. Stand store actually will give you a free 14-day trial, so go ahead and start building your store. And if you want to create your own products and post them on there, you can do that. Right? That's it for now. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, let me know. I will be sure to respond. The main product that you want to get, if you want to get like a good rounded foundation for getting started with digital marketing and learning and doing affiliate marketing and learning various different strategies to make money online outside of just selling digital products and getting into other income streams from doing business online. Digital Wealth Academy, that would be the course to get involved with, right? You can, like, again, same place, my stand store link. You just go there. You'll see the link for it, and you can go ahead and get started. All right. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.